Moving a lot around today. I just jumped in this 2019 Super Duty. It needed a little bit of fuel, but realized we did not have a video of this truck. This truck is marked to go to auction. It is about 60 days old. As with any dealership, we try to keep our inventory flow moving pretty good. Nothing at all wrong with this truck. I just took a quick run around the block, got some fuel, no lights, no trouble codes. This was a locally owned, single owner truck. Matter of fact, same driver since new. This one has Toyo Mud Terrain tires. 6.7 Powerstroke motor, STX edition. They did add a couple lights because they did estimates on the side of the road sometimes in this truck. So for safety, it does have some LED lights added. It does have a spray and bedliner. Did have a toolbox right here. That's what the residue is from. 6 passenger seating interior. Again, no lights, no check engine lights, no codes. Clean interior. Sun's not hitting quite right, but you see the inside pretty well. $130,000 miles. There's no rust, it's aluminum, but it was a Virginia truck, so even the frame's clean. Good truck for somebody. This was on the website. We'll give it a few more weeks, and then should be on the chopping block. Runs out well. Been serviced, been inspected. It needs nothing. Had to move out of the way real quick. Got some new trucks coming in. But this truck's available, does have rear view camera. We've got 2 or 3 others, very, very similar to this one. Does have keyless entry. We probably have both keys. Lots of dualies. Very fortunate in our dually inventory, but several other single rear wheel Super Duties. Give that one a look on the web, or any of the others, anytime you'd like. If you want something lifted, we were tempted to put a leveling kit on that truck, just because no reason not to. But we left it stock because it still could make a good work truck for somebody. So I got all our inventory on the website, telephone number right there. Happy to help you out. Thanks for looking.